Hi guys, welcome to my channel Infotech with Zafar Khan. Today I am going to discuss a new lecture of DevOps, that is lecture number 4. In this lecture we will discuss more about the Git and GitHub in lab using AWS Machine. We will create AWS Ec2 Instance and install Git over there. This is really very important. You will learn how to create Ec2 Instance in AWS Machine and how to install the Git in Ec2 Instance. So, before moving on, let's recap the previous lecture in brief, because this lecture is continuation of the previous lecture. So, we will recap that what we have done in the last lecture. So, basically we have done the version control system and its benefits. We have also discussed the type of version control system, that is centralized version control system and distributed version control system. We have also discussed about the Git and GitHub. We understood about the Git architecture and some Git concept as well. We also have learnt about some popular Git commands. Okay, so we have also done some activities in lab like how to initialize the local repository, how to place the file into a staging area, how to commit that file into the local repository. We also connect from local repository to remote repository. We also push the file into remote repository, that is in GitHub. Remote repository is nothing but a GitHub. Okay, so now today we will cover the Git branching and merging. So basically Git branching allows a developer to diverge from the production version of code to fix a bug or add a new features. Diverge means separate code from production version and start fixing or adding a new features according to your requirement. So developers create branches to work with a copy of the code without modifying any existing version. Okay, so you create a branch to isolate your code changes, which you test and verify before merging the main branch, or you can say master branch. You cannot work directly on the main branch because it will be huge impact if anything goes wrong. So by developing them in branches, developers can work parallel and also keep the main branch free from error. Now there is some important points that we need to discuss over here. So each task has one separate branch. Remember it is always recommended to work in a separate branch rather than main branch. As I told, if you are working on main branch directly and if anything goes wrong, it will be mess up everything. So to avoid that situation, we create a separate branch to do work. Okay. Next point is, after the work is completed and fully tested, merge the code with the main branch. The other point is, this concept is very useful for parallel development. Branches can be created at any numbers, means you can create any number of branch. Okay, and then changes are personal to that particular branch. Next is, file created in workspace will be visible in any of the branch workspace until you commit. For example, if you created a branch 1 and there is another branch 2, and if you are working on workspace, it will show in all branches until and unless you commit that file. So once you commit, then the same file belongs to that particular branch. Next point is, when you created a new branch, the entire data of existing branch is copied to new branch. So some popular command here, let's discuss with some popular command. We have already discussed these commands in the last lecture. So however, we are recapping over here. So git branch will show the branch. Okay, so you are working on which branch, it will show over you by the asterisk and then it will green color. So green color and asterisk means you are in the current branch. When you want to create a branch, you can execute this command, git branch and then branch name. Suppose you want to create a branch 1, you will just execute git branch 1 will create for you to do some activities. And once the branch has been created, you have to switch in the branch 1. So for this, just execute git checkout branch 1. You will switch over there. Okay? And once everything is completed, like whatever the activities you have been assigned and you have completed, tested successfully, are already merged with the main branch, and you don't want to keep that branch which you have created and you have worked already, then you can delete that branch. So by using this command, git branch -d and then branch name which you want to delete it, so you can delete this branch by using this command. Okay, so let's do in the lab now. Go to AWS Machine and create EC2 instance. So here I am in the console of AWS Machine. So there are a number of services showing over here. So I will create EC2 instance. I am currently in the Mumbai region. Okay, so I am just clicking over here to create EC2 instance. Okay, so here it is showing the launch instance. Just click over there and click launch. So it is now asking some information. Okay, number of instances you want to create. I am creating only one. So just put over the name. So Git server. And because I am working in Git, so that's why I have put some specific name. Okay, so I am using then Amazon Linux. Okay, this is the free tier, so that's why I have selected this one. Okay, it will not charge you. You can also use this one. And T2 micro is free tier. There is a number of instance type. So like nano and then small, medium, large, whatever you want. But I am using this T2 micro because it is free tier. It is not chargeable. Okay, and then you have to connect the EC2 instance. So you have to create a key pair. So let's create a key pair. Okay, then put the key name git key. So naming convention should be clear so that it will be, you can identify. Okay, so just simply click key pair. It will download in some folder. I will check it later. Okay, so now network setting. Network setting here, just edit something. So remember it, auto assign public IP should be enabled. Okay, and then security group, if you want to put some specific name related to that project, you can put over there. I am using Git, so I am putting over here security group SG hyphen then Git. Okay, so yeah, and then SSH is already there. So one more inbound security group I will select over here. To click add security, I'll select the all traffic and I'll select the anywhere. Okay, so and rest of the things is fine. Probably 8 GB is fine. So everything is fine now. So it's a T2 micro, Amazon Linux 2 kernel 5.10 and the volume 8 GB. These all are fine for this one. Okay, so just click over launch instance. It is launching now. So successful now, initiated. So let's click on view all instance. So now I am able to see over here, but it is initializing currently and pending. So meanwhile, just check where the key pair has been downloaded. Okay, so I will search over here .pem. Okay, so this is the git key. So I'll copy this one and put in a particular path so that it will help you. Okay, so just copy it. Okay, so I want to put in a desktop. paste item. So it is now git hyphen key. So let's complete this task, then we will check the EC2 instance is created or not. So it will take time, so that's why we are doing this one. Okay, so let's keep ready everything. CD desktop. Okay, let's check ls hyphen lrt. So this one I have created this key, okay, .pm file. So now the important thing is that this key generated is read write permission. If you keep it as it is, it will give the error, not able to connect it. So you always keep this one as a read only mode. Okay, so how you will do that? Ch mode, already shown in my last lecture. So ch mode 400, and then put the key name git hyphen key.pem. Okay, let's check once again. Here it is readable only, it is not writable. So now it will work. Okay, so you you connect with EC2 instance. How you will do that? There is either way. You can directly connect from here, or you can connect through puttygen, or then putty you can use over there. So I am just using this terminal, so I am just doing SSH to connect that one. So SSH hyphen I, and then key git hyphen key dot pem, and username ec2 user @ and public IP. So let's check whether EC2 instance is created or not. I think it is created. Yes, it is running now, and 2x2 checks status is showing. So that means it is working fine. Okay, so now it's ready. So now it's just click over here to copy the public IP. We will use the public IP. So just copy over here and go to the terminal and paste over there. It will ask you whether you want to connect it or not. So yes, are you sure you want to continue connecting? Yes, I will do that. So it is now connected. So EC2 instance is now connected. Okay, so then we will start the installation of Git. But this user is a normal user. You will not able to do any activities. Any activities means administrative activities, because you are going to install the Git, so it's kind of administrative activity. So you have to switch with root user. So how you will do? Sudo and then switch user. So you are now in a root user. Okay, so this is the root user. Fine. So now you just check whether any package that need to be updated or not. If it is there, it will update automatically. Just put the command yum update -y. So if any package is that need to be updated, it will update automatically. Otherwise it will simply give the message no package marked for update. So it is not required now. So that's fine. Now install the Git. So yum install git -y. I have given the -y so that I will continue. Yes. Okay. It is installing now, and it's very fast now. So it has been installed. So how you will check that whether it is installed or not? So, and where it is installed? So just put the command which git. So here it is installed on bin. Okay, /bin/git, and also which version you have installed it. So just check it, git -version. It will show the version, git version which you have installed. The git version is 2.37.1. So it will show over here. Okay, so now create a directory. Okay, So mkdir, then git demo. Git demo. So this is what I have created now. So initialize it. First you have to go inside the directory cd git demo, then initialize it. How you will do that? Git init. Okay, so it has been initialized now. Okay, so now what we will do sorry, we will create a file. Okay, so you can create a file either way, either you put a cat command or using vi editor, or you can use the echo command as well. I will use the echo command because I will write some contents over there. So let's check echo and then hello world, and then put greater than set 2 times, and git file. I am using git file name so that I can identify git file. Okay, so it is now created. So git file is created. Okay, ls command, you can put ls command as well. So git file is showing now. Here is the git file which I have created. Okay, so basically we are using the git. Okay, so we will check through git status. So git status, so it will show untracked file. Git file has been created, but it is untracked. Okay, so let's place it into the staging area, and once you place it into the staging area, the color will be changed with green. Okay, so let's put git add space dot, again you check git status. So here it is now showing the green color. So that means it has been placed into the staging area. Now commit it. Git commit -m and put some particular message. This is my first commit in master branch, probably master branch. Why I have put it master branch? Because when you initialize it, it will by default create a master branch. You are in the master branch. So one file change and one insertion, that means commit is completed. So create mode git file, commit is completed. So let's check how you will do that. So we have a command called git log -- online, not one line, sorry, one line. So now it will show here. So this is my first commit in master branch. We are in the master branch. So that's why it is showing. Okay. So we are in the master branch and we have created the one file and committed as well. Okay. So now let's create a branch. Okay. So how you will do that? Git branch. Let's check first branch. We are in which branch we have. It is already showing the master branch. Here it is also showing the master branch. What it is indicating? You are currently in the master branch. So whatever you have done, that has been done in the master branch. Here you can show identify also, and directly you can put the git branch so that it will show the green color with asterisk. Okay, so that means you are in the current branch, and current branch is your master branch. Okay, so now create a branch, new branch that you want to work. As I discussed in that theory, that whatever the branch you are creating from the master branch, so all the contents of master branch will copied into the new branch. So let's check it. So git branch and then branch name, branch 1. I am creating the branch 1. Okay, so it is created now. So let's check git branch. So it is now created. Okay, but currently still I am in the master branch. So I have to switch from existing branch to newly created branch. So how you will do that? You know the command git checkout and then branch name, branch 1. Okay, so you have switched to branch 1. So let's check git branch. So here it is now currently. Now earlier you were in the master branch. Now we have switched to branch 1. So now it is showing now git stigmas and branch 1 also. Okay, so currently you are in branch 1. So whatever the contents or data was there, it has been copied into branch 1. So how you will check that? Let's check git log hyphen one line. It will show you. Okay, so now the master branch contents has been copied into the branch 1 because I am currently in the branch 1. Okay, now create here one file, okay, in the branch 1. So how you will create it? Just put echo command, echo, then put the some contents. You are watching Infotech with Zafar Khan. And then put the file name, any file name, see first file, put any name you can put over there. So I am putting first file over here because I am creating the first file in the branch 1. Okay, oh, something wrong, echo, sorry, each I have it, echo, it should be echo. Oh, I have missed. So now it has been created, the first file. ls, there are two files. One file is copied from master branch, that was git file, and I have created first file over here. Now the important thing is that I have not committed yet the first file, but you are able, because we are at the working space, so you are able to see in any branch. Okay, it will show the master branch until and unless you commit it. Okay, so let's move on to the master branch and check whether this file is showing over there or not. So git checkout master. Okay, so you have now switched on to master branch and check whether you are able to see or not. ls command, put yes, I am able to see. First file is created in the branch 1, and this file is already created in the master branch, but we are able to see that branch. Why? Because it is not committed. Until and unless we commit it, you will not, you are showing, it will show in all branches, you can say. Okay, so let's move on to the original branch, git checkout, then branch 1. So I have switched now on branch 1 and I will add it, git add space dot. So it is now in the staging area. Let's commit that one. Commit, git commit -m, and then quotes, my first first file, my first commit, put proper name, naming convention, my first commit in branch 1. Okay, So it is committed now. Okay, now it will not show on the master branch. Let's check it again. Okay, so git checkout master, git checkout master. Okay, switch now. Check it. It will not show over here because you have committed now. Okay, so it will not show over there. So just go back again. CD, sorry, not CD. Git checkout branch 1. Okay, so switch now. Let's create another file. So echo file hi all. Okay, how are you? Okay, so I think I have forgot to put the double quotes over here. Sorry, it's not required. Echo command is there, so it's not required, not mandatory. Okay, then put the greater, and then put the second file. Okay, so the second file is created. So let's put the ls. So I have 3. One is already copied, and then this one is already created in the branch 1 and committed over there, and the second file just now created. So let's add it. Okay, so git add, okay, and commit it. Git commit -m and put my second commit, my second commit on branch 1. So it is committed now. So how many files are there? 3 files. Okay, so let's check git log hyphen one line, one line. Okay, so now you have 3 files. Okay, one is already from the copied from master branch. The other one is this is the commit ID. The other one which we have created, the file 1, and this is the second file which we have created. So these 2 we have created over there. You can say that I have written some code over there, but I want to merge this one. Okay, so how you will do that? Okay, so let's first discuss something over there in the branching, in the merging part. So let's first we'll discuss. Okay, so now we have seen everything over there. Git branch and branch name, we have created the branch, we have checked out it as well. We will not delete it at this moment, we will do later. So now merging. Okay, so I have created a branch 1. So consider it, this is the branch 1. This is the main branch. Okay, so I have created a branch 1, and now I have done everything, and it is correct, showing perfectly. Now I will merge over there in the main branch. Okay, so how you will do, how you will do that? Git merge and then branch name. So it will merge into your active branch. But important thing is that you have to stay in the master branch, because you are merging in the master branch from any other branch. Okay, so the 3 important things that need to be keep in your mind. One is it works as a pooling mechanism. Pooling mechanism means the new code which you want to merge, it will merge that particular code. Okay, because whatever the copies, that is already there in the master branch. Okay, so the whatever the changes has been done in the branch, so that will be copied over here. So that is called pooling mechanism you can say. Okay, and then you can merge the branches of the same repository. If you are working on different repository, you can't do. So you can merge the branches only on the, if you are on the same repository. Okay, it is not possible to merge with a different repository. Okay, the other thing is that if you want to merge a branches into main branch, you have to stay in the main branch. I have already discussed. Okay, so let's do that. Merging. Okay, so let's check you are on which branch. So git branch. So you are in the branch 1 and you want to merge it into the master branch. It is a main branch, so you have to switch over there. So how you will do that? Git checkout and master. So now you are in the master branch. Git branch. Okay, so now you can merge it now. So how you will do that? Git merge and branch 1. You want to move the branch 1. Okay, sorry, merge to branch 1, not move. You want to merge the branch 1 into master branch. So git merge and then branch 1. Very simple. So everything is now showing over here. Okay, so this is what the file 1, first file, and then second file, it is added over there. So how you will check that, how you will verify it? Let's verify by put git log. You can see over there, this is the last commit. It will show on the top. So last commit always show on the top, and this is the second commit, the branch 1, and this is the original commit that we have done in the master branch. Okay, also if you want to see one line, so git log -- one line. So it will show over here all these 3 files. Okay, so finally we can push it into remote repository. I have already shown how to push that, but again I am showing over here. So let's go into the repository. I mean in the GitHub. Okay, so now create a repository. So just Git demo. I want to create this repository. It is available now, so not an issue. So it should be public, and rest would be the same. Okay, so just create it. It is now showing. Okay, so but you have to connect from Git to GitHub. So how you will do that? You have to copy this one and put this command is also available over here. So just copy it and go to the terminal. Okay, so git remote add origin. You can specify any name, but conventionally it is named as origin, so you can put over there. So now you are connected. Okay, so once you connected, then again you put the git push origin master. So let's check. It is asking the username. Okay, so username and password of GitHub. But nowadays, just keep it in your mind. Nowadays, from August 2021, it has been removed. So now you have to create an authentication. For authentication, one code. Okay, so I have created one code over here for authentication. So this is the auth token basically. So I have created. Okay, so how you will create? If you want, you could just give a comment over there. I will prepare slide for you. Okay, so it will show you again. You can put it. So here it is now. I have pushed it in the 100. It is showing 100%, 9 by 9, and everything is now has been moved into the master branch and into the GitHub as well. Okay, so let's check GitHub. So to verify it, Refresh it. Here it is. The file one which I have created, my first commit in the branch one. Then git file, this is the first commit in the master branch which we have created, and the second file, my second file is committed. So everything is now moved onto the GitHub. Okay, so I hope this concept of Git branching and merging is crystal clear for you and more informative. I am making a short length of video so that you will enjoy and you will not get any boring. Anyway, I am working hard for you. Wait for my next video on Git. Well, still some information is required, so I am preparing for that one for you. So that's why I am working hard for you only. Okay, so I hope this video is like for you, and you please request you like the video, and till then take care. Thank you.